And my brother's gonna do a fidget spinner killer. Oh, dude, that's... Oh, my God. Cover your ears, guys. Oh, God. Okay, guys. Guys, this is not gonna... Okay, he's going back to destroying the fidget. It's a white stacker one. Orange bearings. I went to look at it for the pause and nothing new actually happened. Whoa! Fidget spinners are strong. Okay, guys, let's see what's going on. Whoa! Oh, look at that! Can you guys see that? Can you guys see that? Go. Okay, so those are the pieces that fell off. And my brother's kind of messed up. Okay, and you can just look and see there's the bearing in her heart.
If you guys need a bearing, just comment and we'll give you one for free.
Yeah. Okay, I think that would be the end of this video, guys. See ya. You can check out more of our videos. We're going to make what's inside, like the soccer ball we destroyed over there. Okay, see ya, guys. I like cheeseburgers.